Hi, I'm Melina with WTI, and these awesome colorful funnels have made my life so much easier. They are coin counting funnels and they are awesome. If you are frustrated with counting coins, losing your count, having to start all over again, these are the solution. They're easy to use, they are color coded, they have different colors for different coins. But what I think is so awesome about them is that the wrapper goes into the hole on the top so easily, and it surrounds the coin, and the coins are easily slipped into the wrapper, and voila, you have your coins wrapped. I love the fact that you can just scoop as many coins as you want to into the funnel. It doesn't matter, because once it gets to the hole in the tube that tells you that you've overfilled, you just turn it on its side and release the extra coins. And you have the perfect amount of coins, exactly what you need to go into the wrapper. With 252 wrappers, you will have these around for a very long time. I love these coin sorters by Nadex. They are a lifesaver for me. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.